Number 1. The 1955 Mercury Montclair, priced at $12,500, located in Gardner, Massachusetts. This is a fully original time capsule representing the beauty of 1950s American design and technology. Powered by the Turnpike Cruiser V8 engine with a 368 cubic inch displacement, it is one of the largest and most powerful engines of its time, producing 290 horsepower and paired with the innovative keyboard control automatic transmission. The car retains its original two-tone red and white paint with elegant gold trim accents, as well as the stunning original red and black vinyl interior. As a two-door hardtop model, this Montclair features the first dual headlight facelift design, marking the transition from the 1955 to the 1958 model year. With a very solid body, a well-maintained engine bay, an original trunk, and meticulous interior details, this car is a rare example of a classic survivor, perfect for serious investors. Number 2. The 1973 Mercury Comet, priced at $10,000, located in Auburn, Kentucky. This car has been significantly modified. Originally equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, it has been upgraded to a 325.0 V8 engine from a Mustang, paired with a C4 transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body. The car also includes a small stall converter and a mini-spool 3.88 in differential. It rides on torque thrust 15 inches wheels with manual brakes and manual steering. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator, while the engine's performance is enhanced by a roller camshaft, likely an E3A03, a 4-barrel intake, a quick fuel carburetor, headers, and a dual-flow master exhaust system. The car also features a rare Maverick Man carbon fiber hood, previously used for drag racing. It boasts strong acceleration, capable of spinning the tires and delivering quick manual shifts. With an original mileage of 52,000, this car is ideal for fast car enthusiasts, but it is not recommended for beginner drivers or younger individuals due to its power and challenging handling. Number 3. The 1961 Ford Falcon, priced at $8,500, located in Morganton, North Carolina. It is equipped with its original 176-cylinder engine, which has been modified with headers and a larger carburetor to deliver improved performance. The 3-speed manual transmission is in good condition and ready for use. The car's body has been repainted and looks straight with no major damage, maintaining a classic and appealing appearance. The interior is well maintained and comfortable, reflecting attention to restoration details. All lights, electrical components, and glass are in excellent condition with no cracks or defects. The front tires have recently been replaced, and the rear tires are in like-new condition. With a well-maintained engine, this car is ready to drive and perfect for leisurely cruises. It is offered at a reasonable price, or best offer, and is available only to serious buyers with cash payment, no trades. Number 4. The 1962 Chrysler Newport, priced at $9,800, located in Herndon, Pennsylvania. It features a 361 V8 engine and automatic transmission with an original mileage of 88,000. The engine and chassis appear well maintained with several new components such as spark plugs, spark plug wires, fresh oil, and new front and rear shocks. The car has been lowered by 3 in and is equipped with air shocks in the rear, with the front steering system realigned. The tires and brakes are in near-new condition. The interior remains very neat with well-preserved upholstery. The exterior shows a solid body free from significant damage, giving it a charming classic look. The current owner is the third and purchased the car from an experienced mechanic who cared for it meticulously for many years. The car is available for negotiation and cash payment only, with no trades except for a 1949 to 1951 Mercury. Number 5. The 1978 Ford Thunderbird Brougham, priced at $7,500, located in Norfolk, Connecticut. This car is in excellent condition. The exterior is impressive with no signs of rust, a smooth body, and glossy black paint. The interior features gray leather seats that remain neat and well maintained, reflecting good care by previous owners. The 302 V8 engine has been rebuilt and overboard by 0.030 in, delivering optimal performance. The transmission has also been reconditioned, ensuring the car is ready to drive anywhere. The tires are nearly new, and the exhaust system has been upgraded to a dual exhaust. The odometer reads 78,000 miles. However, the air conditioning is not currently functioning. With repair documentation totaling $20,000 from the previous owner, this car stands out as an impressive classic that requires no additional repairs. Number 6. The 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $8,500, located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is a restoration project that has been worked on for the past few years. Overall, the car still requires some repairs. The exterior paint is in good condition, except for one rear panel with minor damage, which can be fixed before sale. The interior has been updated, including reupholstered seats, but the floor still shows some dirt and wear. The engine has several new components, such as a carburetor, distributor, alternator, and fuel tank. However, as the car hasn't been used in cold weather for some time, the engine may require tuning. The electrical system, including headlights, turn signals, and wiring, has been updated, but some wires under the dashboard are still exposed. The wheels, steering column, and indicators are also new. While the car can run, it occasionally has issues, so buyers should plan to transport it with a trailer or tow equipment. This car is perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking to continue restoration with a solid foundation. Number 7. The 1965 AMC Rambler Marlin, priced at $10,000, located in Mooresville, North Carolina. This is a rare classic car. It remains mostly original, featuring a 327 V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. Several repairs have been completed, including a rebuilt transmission, new brake master cylinder, new calipers, new brake hoses, new wheel cylinders, new rear shocks, a restored alternator, new carpeting, a new fuel sender, and new tires. The car runs well and holds a lot of potential. However, some work is still needed, such as installing weather stripping on all windows to prevent leaks, repairing the temperature and fuel gauges, replacing the water pump, heater core, and blower motor. The original radio is non-functional, the rear seat needs reupholstering, and there are minor rust spots on the lower rear quarter panels and around the wheel fenders. Number 8. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $8,000, located in Napa, New York. This car is well maintained with a perfectly running engine powered by a 350 V8 engine and turbo 350 transmission. It has an odometer reading of approximately 83,000 original miles. The braking system has recently been serviced with brake lines in excellent condition and no fluid leaks. All interior components are functional, including the washer fluid. A Sony head unit with 2 rear Sony speakers has been installed. The owner assures the car's reliability in all weather conditions, from the extreme heat of 100 degrees to freezing 0 degrees. It is claimed to be capable of long trips, such as a round trip to California, without any issues. Although the owner loves the car, they wish to switch to a 2-door model and are open to trade, even for non-running 2-door vehicles. Price is negotiable. Number 9. The 1973 AMC Gremlin, priced at $15,000, located in Delaware, New Jersey. This car features a 304 V8 engine rebuilt by the previous owner. It comes with a 4-speed manual transmission and a posy rear end. Mechanically, the car is very reliable and has been upgraded with an Edelbrock intake, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor with electric choke, headers with 3-inch exhaust, and Flowmasters for an aggressive sound. Other modifications include a scatter shield bell housing, air shocks, a new high distributor, wires, spark plugs, electric fuel pump, starter battery, and new centerline wheels. The floor, body, and undercarriage are solid, though there is minor rust on the inner rocker panels. The body requires some repair and repainting, but it remains presentable as is. Stored indoors, the car comes with many additional parts and was last inspected in New York 2 years ago. The car includes complete paperwork with a New Jersey title. Number 10. The 1967 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $6,000, located in Commerce City, Colorado. This is a nearly completed project with about 90% of the work done. It is missing only the side trim. The body has rust in common areas, such as the quarter panels, fenders, and trunk, but the floors and frame remain solid with no major issues. Many new components have been installed, including an aluminum radiator, electric fan, carburetor, and new tires. The car runs and drives but has not been started recently, and the owner plans to perform minor work to get it running again. The transmission has a fluid leak, but the engine shows little to no oil leaks. Almost all features are functional, though there are some electrical issues, such as partial brake light functionality. The interior is in decent condition, featuring a retro steering wheel. Price is negotiable, but no trades are accepted. Number 11. The 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, priced at $6,500, located in Johnson County, Indiana. This car is in good condition, equipped with a 4.3L V6 engine that can pass California emissions testing. It was previously owned by a single owner and runs and drives smoothly. Features include functioning power windows and locks, a well-maintained interior, and a clean body. The floors and trunk are very solid, with no signs of damage. It comes with brand new 13 by 7 wheels with 72-spoke straight lace and gold wire center caps. The paperwork is complete with a clean title, and the car is being sold at an affordable price in Indiana without any trade options. This vehicle reflects authenticity and good care, making it suitable for Oldsmobile collectors or investors. Number 12. The 1940 Ford Super Deluxe, priced at $29,000, located in McLean County, Oklahoma. This car has been modified as a hot rod. Its condition is a bit rough in some areas, indicating it needs repair and restoration to achieve optimal condition. The engine is a flathead V8 equipped with Edmunds cylinder heads and a dual-carb Edelbrock intake, which are high-quality aftermarket components for enhanced performance. The interior is simple but reflects the style of the era, though it requires some refreshing. The starter currently has issues, but the car can still be started and has been driven before. The exterior features matte black paint and red wheels with white wall tires, giving it an attractive classic look. This is a promising project for hot rod enthusiasts. Number 13. The 1989 Mercury Cougar, priced at $2,500, located in Las Vegas, Nevada. This car is currently in restoration project condition. Overall, it requires extensive repairs, particularly in the interior, which is severely damaged with torn seats and a worn dashboard. Most of the exterior paint has worn off, leaving surfaces with light rust from previous sanding, but there are no signs of severe rust on the body, indicating great restoration potential. The matching numbers 289 engine is still installed, but the vehicle is not in running condition. The engine bay appears complete, but will require a full rebuild to function. Features such as power steering, power disc brakes, and aftermarket air conditioning add value. The car has a straight body with no major damage, offering a promising restoration opportunity, especially for classic enthusiasts seeking a rust-free base. Number 14. The 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $3,999, located in Las Vegas, Nevada. Likely intended to be built as a 442 Tribute model, this car is a project requiring complete restoration. The body is claimed to be rust-free and comes from a desert area, but the interior is heavily damaged with torn front seats and floorboards showing light corrosion and wear. The dashboard is aged with incomplete instrument panels. The car's exterior is intact, though there are scratches and minor dents. The front bumper and left headlight are missing. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC, and an automatic transmission, the engine is not functioning. The car has been stored in a yard for a long time. Located in Las Vegas, the seller offers delivery up to 350 miles. The price is affordable with temporary wheels, not the ones shown in the pictures. This car is suitable as a body donor or restoration project, especially compared to other cars that require costly rust repairs. Number 15. The 1954 Plymouth Belvedere, priced at $995, located in Denver, Colorado. This four-door car is a complete restoration project. It has a flathead six-cylinder 2A8 SE engine with a 3-speed manual transmission, but the engine's condition is unknown. The car appears mostly complete, though it is missing the air cleaner and 3 hubcaps. Overall, the body is relatively solid, though there is rust in the spare tire well and the driver's floor area. The interior shows signs of age and needs comprehensive repair. The car is being sold with a Texas title, accepts cash only, and comes with many additional parts. The seller emphasizes only dealing with serious buyers.